How to make money trading Forex. What is Forex trading? The Forex market refers to the global marketplace where banks, institutions, and individuals speculate on the exchange rates between fiat currencies. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. How does Forex trading work? As a Forex trader, you are speculating on whether one currency will rise or fall in price against another currency. So Forex trading can be defined as a process of speculating on current prices to try and make a profit. The value of a currency is influenced by economic, political, geopolitical events, and trade and financial flows. Placing a trade in the foreign exchange market is simple. The mechanics of a trade are very similar to those found in other financial markets like the stock market. So if you have any experience in trading, you should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. And if you don't, you'll still be able to pick it up as long as you finish School of Pipsology, our Forex trading course. The objective of Forex trading is to exchange one currency for another in the expectation that the price will change. More specifically, the currency you bought will increase in value compared to the one you sold. Here's an example. You purchased 10,000 euros at the Euro-USD exchange rate of 1.18. 2 weeks later, you exchange your 10,000 euros back into US dollars at the exchange rate of 1.25. You earn a profit of $700. That's 10,000 times 1.18 giving you $11,800, and then 10,000 times 1.25 giving you $12,500. An exchange rate is simply the ratio of one currency valued against another currency. For example, the USD-CHF exchange rate indicates how many US dollars can purchase 1 Swiss franc, or how many Swiss francs you need to buy 1 US dollar. How to read a Forex quote. Currencies are always quoted in pairs, such as GBP, USD, or USD, JPY. The reason why they are quoted in pairs is that in every foreign exchange transaction, you are simultaneously buying one currency and selling another. How do you know which currency you are buying and which you are selling? Excellent question. This is where the concept of base and put currencies come in. Base and put currency. Whenever you have an open position in Forex trading, you are exchanging one currency for another. Currencies are quoted in relation to other currencies. Here's an example of a foreign exchange rate for the British pound versus the US dollar. GBP USD equals 1.21228. Here, GBP equals base currency and USD equals put currency. The first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency. The base currency is the reference element for the exchange rate of the currency pair. It always has a value of 1. The second listed currency on the right is called the counter or put currency. In this example, the US dollar. When buying, the exchange rate tells you how much you have to pay in units of the put currency to buy 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, you have to pay 1.21228 US dollars to buy 1 British pound. When selling, the exchange rate tells you how many units of the put currency you get for selling 1 unit of the base currency. In the example above, you have to pay 1.21228 US dollars to buy 1 British pound. If you buy Euro USD, this simply means that you are buying the base currency and simultaneously selling the quote currency. In caveman talk, buy Euro, sell USD. You would buy the pair if you believe the base currency will appreciate relative to the quote currency. You would sell the pair if you think the base currency will depreciate relative to the quote currency. With so many currency pairs to trade, how do Forex brokers know which currency to list as the base currency and the quote currency? Fortunately, the way that currency pairs are quoted in the Forex market is standardized. You may have noticed that currencies quoted as a currency pair are usually separated with a slash character. Just know that this is a matter of preference and the slash may be omitted or replaced by a period, a dash, or nothing at all. For example, some traders may type Euro/USD or Euro-USD or just Euro-USD. They all mean the same thing. Long and short, how trading Forex works. First, you should determine whether you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy, which actually means buy the base currency and sell the put currency, you want the base currency to rise in value and then you would sell it back at a higher price. In a trader talk, this is called going long or taking a long position. Just remember, long equals buy. If you want to sell, which actually means sell the base currency and buy the put currency, you want the base currency to fall in value and then you would buy it back at a lower price. This is called going short or taking a short position. Just remember, short equals sell. How to make money trading Forex by going long and short at the same time. I am long and short, flat or square. If you have no open position, then you are said to be flat or square. Closing the position is also called squaring up. Forex square trade. I'm square. Bid, ask, and spread. All Forex quotes are quoted with two prices, the bid and ask. In general, the bid is lower than the ask price. Euro USD Forex quotes. What is bid? The bid is the price at which your broker is willing to buy the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the bid is the best available price at which you, the trader, can sell to the market. If you want to sell something, the broker will buy it from you at the bid price. What is ask? The ask is the price at which your broker will sell the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. This means the ask price is the best available price at which you can buy from the market. Another word for ask is the offer price. If you want to buy something, the broker will sell or offer it to you at the ask price. What is spread? The difference between the bid and the ask price is known as the spread. On the Euro USD quote above, the bid price is 1.34568 and the ask price is 1.34588. Look at how this broker makes it so easy for you to trade away your money. If you want to sell euro, you click sell and you will sell euros at 1.34568. If you want to buy euro, you click buy and you will buy euros at 1.34588. Here's an illustration that puts together everything we've covered in this lesson. Euro USD 1.1051/1.1053. Here, euro equals base currency, USD equals counter currency, 1.1051 equals bid price, 1.1053 equals ask price. The last digits 1 and 3 respectively are called pips. 1.1053 minus 1.052 is also known as spread or 2 pips. Next lesson, we're gonna take a very good look at other examples